Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today's video is going to feature some long hairstyles. This first one is super cute. She's got this super long mermaid hair, beautiful red color, and then she's going to be doing the bubble ponytails. I really like her hair color combo here. It's just so unique and fun. So there is one side done. You pretty much just need a bunch of rubber bands for this one and patience to just get these ponytails going. I also like the fact that she put like these little hair accessories in there. I think that that's super cute. This would be like a fun music festival hairstyle idea that you could try out. Or if you're just having like a nice fun date night or a night with your girls, I think that would be a cute little style to try. Next up, we have someone who has this absolutely beautiful hair. Look how thick and gorgeous her hair is. It is just so pretty. She has some highlights going in here as well. She's doing like a cute little half up, half down style. Very pretty. And you could add some more curls to it if you wanted to. So she's giving us like different options here, ways you can play around with the look. Another take on the half up, half down trend. Also, if you guys are enjoying these longer hairstyle videos, please be sure to like it. It really lets me know that you like these kind of videos, because I used to do long hair videos all the time. I feel like they didn't get as much traction in the algorithm. People weren't liking them as much. So if you want to see more long hairstyle videos, mixed content, please be sure to like the video. All right, so here we have another super cute half up, half down style. And she is putting some curls in with hers. And I will say, if you want to do some of these hairstyles but you don't have, hair as long as the girls in the videos, you can always try these looks with like clip-ons, hair extensions. So many ways that you can mix it up. Here we have someone with a beautiful layered hairstyle. She's got the volumized layers going here. And then I did throw in a few shorter hairstyle clips, so just FYI. So here we have someone doing another half up, half down style. I like her hair color as well. This would be what I would like to call the pop of color trend. So if you want to try like a little bit of color in your hair and not dye your whole head, this is how you would achieve that look. So I thought this was going to be a half up, half down style, but it looks like she's actually doing... Oh no, she got some more hair in the back. Wow, her hair is thick. So she did do a half up, half down with the two buns. I love her makeup. So pretty. And then of course we got the wavy look. So wavy hair is definitely in. You can do this look with a waver or braid your hair when it's wet, take down the curls or take down the braids when it's dry, and you will have the wavy curly look. Oh, so she's doing the Coquette bow trend here. Look how thick and long her hair is, so pretty. She does like a bubble ponytail. I like how she mixes in the braid with the bubble ponytail to give it like a different kind of look. That is so cute. And then of course we finish it off with a black Coquette bow. Oh, look at these layers. I love the color here. So she gets her hair washed, blow dried, and silk pressed. Has some champagne with a stylist. Oh, this is a wig. Wow. I thought she had hair extensions. See what I mean? Like there's so many different ways that you can actually have the long hair without growing it out your scalp. So don't be afraid to mix it up. So this is a super cute style. Now this one does infuse some extensions as well. She's got the rainbow neon colored styles. I think that this would be a really cute hairstyle for, once again, like music festival. You can put this in with the clip-in. The stylist kind of makes her own variation with the pink and the yellow. I think this is really pretty. This is like art. Like, look at that. Just beautiful. So pretty. Definitely a fun hairstyle for a night out. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed all of today's hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.